Hello, welcome back to my channel. So I was researching on another design you can use for your lemonade hairstyles or your side braids, and I wanted to make the hard braid, but I have done over 20 hard braids tutorials. I was tired of it and I decided, you know what, let's break some hearts, let's break the norm and do something different. So today we are going to make a broken heart. That doesn't mean that our hearts are broken, it just means that we break hearts. Okay, so to start off, see okay, you make that line across just as I did where you want your heart to start, and then another line in the middle. Now you are going to proceed to start carving out the shape of the heart, starting from this inner corner. This makes it so easy. So carve out the inner corner and then the outer part. Then, because my mannequin has edges that are thicker and fuller than her normal hair, this is the amount of hair I had to take out from there. Usually if you're doing this on a human being's hair, the edges are going to be like, as you can see in these pictures, not as full as the hair. So you can incorporate it or do anything. I just put pictures there so that you can see options of what you can do. You might shift the heart backwards, you might braid that part. If it's too thin, you can just lay it down as baby hairs, whatever you have to do. So guys, I have made over at least 20 heart braid tutorials on my channel, but when it was time to make this thing, I tried it up to 7 times. If you feel that because you can braid a heart, like you'll be able to get this at one try, see, I dare you, try it and come and tell me. Like, leave a comment under here and tell me you did it once and you got it now after watching my tutorial, because I'm going to give you the tea on the little adjustments to make from your normal heart. If not, see, you're going to break your own heart. You will break your heart because, oh my god. Okay, so when I want to make sure the heart shape is equal, I just squeeze everything, I twist the whole hair together so that I can see the outline very well. And if it doesn't look like a perfect heart, this is when you have to stop. Just twist the hair, look at the heart until you have the shape you really like, because once you start braiding you can't take it off. So now it's time to make the zigzag broken heart. You know, broken heart, my heart. Broken heart design in the middle. Break it as much as you can, but be nice, don't be too mean. You know, we're not breaking hearts too much, just a little. For people who know they people wait to say they stop, but we know they hear, will break their hearts, very well, you know. So break the heart as much as you want, and when you are comfortable, it's time to whip out your shine and jam. Like, I used it to just make sure that the heart break was showing clearly so that nobody can get it mixed up. See, it's not our heart that is broken, we just break hearts. We break hearts with our beautiful hairstyles. So now this is where there is difference. You know, when you're making like a regular heart braid, you have to come down almost to the middle before you start braiding upwards to give it that shape. If you try it with this one, your heart is going to look like a shattered, confused, broken heart that is just looking like you're confused, like it looks crazy. So just pick as little as possible. Section of just very little hair at the top, enough for you to braid without disturbing the zigzag motion. See, all the hair coming from that zigzag should move into your braid in the opposite direction of the zigzag. Do not move it upwards because it's going to mess up the zigzag line. So just braid that tiny portion so that your braid can come down. Once your braid has started curving downwards, that is when you can start adding the hairs from the zigzag part. Don't be too anxious, don't even stitch this thing. See, I feel as if it's a heartless person that will stitch a broken heart. No, like, because it's like you're shattering the heart more, you're just giving it more cracks. I didn't want to do that because I'm a kind person, so I was just trying to cover up the stitch, and it was forming stitches because of the way I was braiding the hair. I was trying to cover up I was trying to make the hair flat, but it was forming stitches. When I was done, I used a comb and closed the stitch. I combed it to look like a minor heart break, you know, just small heart break. We don't want to kill somebody, we just want a broken heart, small broken heart, with our fine hair. So I just fixed it back, with a comb, covered up all the stitched lines, and it was just smooth. When I got to the end, that was when I started feeding in the hair extension. If this was like on a human being's hair, I can just either incorporate the hair at the edges because it will not be as full as the main hair or fuller than the hair inside, or just, but this mannequin, like, I didn't know what to do with that piece of hair there, so we're just going to pretend we did not see it and break its heart by ignoring it. So I proceeded to just braid this down. I was being careful because I knew that I would have to put beads. This mannequin hair is long. If I don't make the braids long enough, when I'm taking it down, I might mistakenly cut. It has happened before. It almost happened, but it didn't happen. If you like my mannequin, I love it. I bought 3 of them from Amazon. I reviewed 3 of them individually, then compared all of them together. This one and the Afro Kinky one, like, the Afro Kinky one. No, I think two videos, because the Afro Kinky were 2. So if you want to watch that video, the link will be in the description. But if you want to get yours, the link to get it will be, it's on my Amazon store. You can just use my link and get it from there, so that I can get exactly the one I got, because I love it. So you can see the tiny hair I am pinching from the beginning of that place, trying my best not to unravel, not to razz up the zigzag motion in the middle, just pick a little bit. Like, it was already spoiling, but I tried. I just added more shine and jam. This shine and jam, it makes my hairstyle nice, but this thing is serious residue. If you take down the hair, it will just be like congealed hair cream and dust. That's what it, and white dust. That's what it looks like. So it's annoying me because now I have to like almost wash my mannequin after almost every hairstyle. So I'm not going to do that. I am going to leave this braid, this hard braid here, and make another design on another side of the head. That's what we're gonna do. So it's time to start braiding. I just sectioned off a little at the top, as you can see, because I told you if you don't do that, you're going to scatter your zigzag. I'm not talking too much. You can do what you want if you want to, but we are killing it. So I was just being careful. I was trying to cover up the lines. Cover up the lines, like we're not stitching you. Cover it up and just braid. I was taking my time, doing it nicely. You cannot break hearts when you're doing this anyhow. You have to be calculative and gracious and careful. I wasn't careful. I lose a little bit. I just edited it out. If you think you're just going to do this at once and it will come out perfect, see, this thing underwent a lot of editing and touching. Like, I just cut off where I was messing up, but it wasn't that hard. But I apologize for this light that is lighting anyhow. There's too much sun. I didn't know my light was so bright too, but I apologize. And this is where I start feeding in the hair. You're going to see there's another important step you have to do for this hair to look perfect. So please don't go away yet and see. Can you just leave a thumbs up for my efforts? Please leave a thumbs up for my effort. I'm not even saying to see. I know they worry you. I'm not saying make you share and give your friends. You don't have to share to your family and friends. It's people that are very generous, that like when they see something good, they want to show their girlfriends, show their sisters, show their families. Even if you're not like that, just leave a thumbs up now. And for my effort, just leave a thumbs up. Then see if you're the best of the bestest. If you're the bestest of the best, then just leave a comment and say, "Hi T, I am watching from Guyana." I have a friend from there that commented on my video, and I swear, like, I didn't know that was a country until I started seeing her comments, and I was like, oh, that's so nice. Now I have a friend from there. I have from Kenya. Hi girls, just leave a comment. It's not too much now. No, if it's too much, leave a thumbs up. See, don't be looking at my own head though, because forget that one. So this is necessary to also like streamline the bottom of that heart to make it look like a heart. Don't have broken heart that is confused and opening leg. No, it has to be close together. You see, you cannot be breaking hearts when your legs are open. You cannot be breaking legs when you cannot be breaking hearts when your legs are scattered. Your legs have to be together and nice, and that is what we have. Her heart is gorgeous. I just pinned a big flower at the back. Thank you for watching. Bye.